Today we will be classifying shapes using geometric terms. The terms that we will use to classify the shapes today are parallel. These are lines in a plane that never intersect. Perpendicular. Two intersecting lines that form right angles. Quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides. Right angle. An angle that forms a square corner at 90 degrees. Quadrilaterals can be classified by their angles or pairs of sides. There are 5 different types of quadrilaterals, and we will discuss each one. Our first is a parallelogram. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Next is a rectangle. It has 4 right angles and is also considered a parallelogram. Next, we have a square. This has 4 right angles and all the sides are the same length. It is considered a parallelogram, a rectangle, and a rhombus. Next is a trapezoid. It is a quadrilateral with only 1 pair of parallel sides. Last is a rhombus. It's a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are parallel and all of its sides are the same length. In our first figure, a parallelogram, you can see that it has 2 sets of parallel lines, but no right angles. In our next figure, at the bottom, is a rectangle. It has 4 sets of right angles, 1 in each corner, with 2 sets of congruent sides and 2 sets of parallel lines. Each corner is also made up of 4 sets of lines with perpendicular intersections. Next, we have a square. It has 4 congruent sides, 4 right angles, 2 sets of parallel lines, and 4 sets of perpendicular intersections. To the right, we have a rhombus. As you can see, it has 4 congruent lines, 2 sets of parallel lines, and again, no right angles in the corners. Our last figure is a trapezoid. It has 1 set of parallel lines and no right angles. Now it's your turn. Can you identify these shapes? I'll give you just a minute. Think about the terms that we discussed while you're identifying these shapes. Are we ready? Here are the answers. We have a square, a rhombus, a rectangle, a trapezoid, and a parallelogram. Way to go! Great job!